like we're on the edge right now. I wish that I could say I'm proud. I'm sorry that I let you down. Let you down. All these voices in my head get loud. I wish that I could shut them out. I'm sorry that I let you down.
So I'm gonna start this tutorial out like how I would normally start these tutorials out, and that's just by doing my brows. So now that's over with. I'm taking my black opal foundation, and this look is a prelude of my as seen on Instagram look, which is this look right here. So this is the look that happened, and then I wiped off the bottom half. If you've already seen this video, the as seen on Instagram video, thank you so much for watching. It's the video that that came before this one. So now I'm taking my black opal carob foundation, and I am just applying it all over as I would any foundation. For my highlight, however, I'm taking this color from the Sedona Lace quad. I don't think I've ever used this color. I've always used I've never used this color. So I tried out this color, and I wanted it to be dramatic. It's lighter significantly than my normal color I normally use, but I mean, it's whatever. Then I'm going to be setting it with Ben Nye's neutral set. I've been trying out this neutral set, and it's okay. When it gets damp, it gets clumpy though. My sachet doesn't get clumpy when it's damp, and my Ben Nye doesn't get clumpy when it's damp, as in my banana powder doesn't get clumpy when it's damp. So I don't know. So this does get clumpy whenever it is damp. So I'm using this to set all the lighter areas, and I'm grabbing my Sedona Lace. I can't remember the name of this brush, but it's a fluffy angled brush, and it is absolutely phenomenal for all over face powder. So I'm not using a sponge for this. I am actually using a brush. So I'm using my black opal 700 deep loose powder, and that's going everywhere that I did not highlight. I love how this powder sits with my Fenty Beauty foundation, sits with my It's Your Face Cosmetics foundation, and it sits with my black opal foundation. It is absolutely gorgeous. So I did highlight, I believe, but I'm just going over, you know, making a little, do my little emphasis using the espresso, excuse me, from Fenty Beauty, and I use it on top of my foundation, and I like how it looks. It photographs absolutely phenomenal. I like it. So now I'm going with my ColorPOP palette, and I believe this is called something about love. I can't remember, but this is the ColorPOP palette that I'll be using, and I'm taking that it's like a cool neutral color. Well, it's cool on me, however. These colors, as I say, they are extremely comparable to Kylie's eyeshadow. Extremely comparable to her eyeshadows. So, I mean, they're okay. They're not like drop dead gorgeous, I gotta have them, but they're okay. And it works. It gets the job done. It really works. What I wish it had, though, was a nice color so that I can put on my brow bone. Jonathan kissing me. Jonathan, stop. Right, so I can put on my brow bone, but I have to use white, but you know, whatever. This is what I normally use to do my brows. Thank you. So I normally used to do my brows, this brush, and whatever is left on the brush is just what I'm applying on my lid. And that's going to be like a little base for the eyeshadows that I have coming. With these eyeshadows though, you don't need a base for them. They show up, you know, okayly, but they're not as, you know, it's not like bam, punchy on your skin. Oh my gosh, I didn't show you guys what color I used, but I'm using the bronze color from this palette, and I'm putting it just on the outside, and I'm just feathering it in. They say that the bronze color is the one up and left of that black color, right? So I'm taking the black, and I had to use this black sparingly. Now this black is a really good black. This black is black, hunty. So I had to use a smaller brush, and I had to go in increments. I couldn't just go straight in with the color. I had to go in with the color little by little. And I'm just blending out the top there with that brush that I used to do my brow bone color. So after applying everything, I'm now lining my eyes with, I lined my eyes rather with my black eyeliner pencil from isakennfa.com, and then I'm just blending out the black and depositing some black eyeshadow using the same brush that I used to apply the black eyeshadow on my crease. So I'm using that same brush, I used to blend out the eyeliner pencil and then apply the black eyeshadow. So now I'm taking this color, and this is going to go right underneath my lash line. These colors do have names. The names, however, it's on the back of the palette, and I don't have the palette with me at the time of this voiceover. But that's what I'm doing, because I want it to have a smoky effect. So this brush is the same brush I used on my brow bone, same brush I used to blend out the black a little bit earlier, and the same brush I went in just to clean up the edges. So I'm taking that color and I'm putting it in my happy area, and I quite like how it looks. I like colors that goes in that happy area. It brings it just gives it a nice little punch. So I'm taking La Peach from Artist Couture, the collaboration with Jackie Aina, and this is what I'll be using today. I don't think I mixed the highlights. I believe I just have using La Peach alone, and I used, ooh, look at La Peach, and I used that color as my blush as well. Yep, and I love how it looks. See that? It's nice and subtle, but it's just gorgeous on my skin tone. So this palette is actually a lip palette from BH Cosmetics. I ordered some stuff from them last year, 2017, and I got this for free. And guys, it's moisturizing, not extremely long lasting, because it's like a gloss lipstick kind of feel, so it does wear, but it lasts a really long time, and it's from BH Cosmetics, so it is affordable, honey. I love it so much. I did an ombre look, so I went in with that first pink thinking that first pink could work. It didn't. It looks a little bit too harsh. No, it just looked like it needed a little, punch. So I went in with that lighter color in the middle, and then the lighter color blended too much with the previous color. So I went in with this darker color, and we got an ombre effect. There is a ways to achieve an ombre lip, but this is what happened accidentally by me working with colors. So this is it for the end of the tutorial, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so very much for watching. Your support means the world to me. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat and on Instagram, and also check out my website, LyricRochester.com. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
I talk to God like what's next for me. I'm just fulfilling my destiny. Fulfilling my destiny, yeah. I talk to God like what's next for me. I'm just fulfilling my destiny. I'm just fulfilling my destiny. Yeah. I told y'all I'm a psycho. Ain't no telling what I might do. Yeah. Y'all put his hands around my throat, so I cut him off. That's what you get for stepping on my toes.